You can make a living trading this one simple strategy. My strategy is so simple that it'll take you less than a minute to learn this actual strategy. I've said it all before and I'll say it again. Trading is a 50-50 game. Markets can go up, they can go down. You never know which way your trade's going to go. But I'm going to show you a system that you don't have to follow, because I always maintain, don't change a system every 5 minutes, okay? Because it's a complete nightmare if you keep on changing your system. It's actually the wrong thing to do. So what I suggest is just simply follow the system or the edge that you've got that always works. Hey, it's Rob Gilty, it's logical trading. Don't forget, trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money, and if you don't like losing money, don't trade. That said, the system that I trade is simple. It's support and resistance, or supply and demand. There's nothing more to it. It's as simple and as easy as it gets. It doesn't get much easier than that. And you can go and have a look at my system right here. I'm going to show you how to trade my system. Less than a minute, hopefully less than a minute. Let's see, starting now. So what you do first is you go to the higher time frame. Then you look for a support and resistance area. You change it to a line chart. Easiest way, because with a line chart you can see the points better, right? Draw your support or resistance in, and then simply, it's normally a resistance if you're going short, so then you simply change it back to the bar chart, drop it down to the lower time frame. I prefer the 4 hour or the 1 hour depending on the day, and then you can see where your price is going into your resistance, or in some cases where it's going into your support. If it's going into resistance and you want to go short, then you'll be looking for a red bar coming out of it. If it's going into the support and it's going long, you'll be looking for the green bar going out of it. A confirmed bar, not just halfway through the time. It must confirm, it must move on to the next bar and give you a confirmed bar. You can look at your bars as you get long green bars, those are positive signs, long red bars, nice negative signs. Tails on the bars will tell you that the sellers are getting out or the buyers are getting out, and that sort of thing. That's my system, and that's about as simple as it gets. It doesn't get much simpler than that. And that's as simple as it is, and that's as good as it gets. Hey, if you're looking for something really cool, go and check this out. Would you actually like your own trading bot? Pop down to the description below and you'll find your trading bot there. Just click on it and go and get it for yourself and let it do all the trading for you automated. Hey, let's get on with it. So, if you get that, we don't need to learn anything, do you? But that's it. No. Go and if you don't have your own system, follow that system. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn. If you want to know about Fibonacci, if you want to know about RSI, if you want to know about MACD trading, if you want to know about moving average crossovers, let me know in the comments. I'll do a video on that and I'll show you how to trade those. You know, I know how to trade them, I just don't use them. I keep them out of my system and I use simple support and resistance. It's much easier to manage your risk that way. I always maintain managing your risk will make you a winner. Best loser wins, eh? But anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, it's Rob Gilty. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow as well and comment.